Hi friends, welcome to Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video is about how to make beautiful Radha Krishna idol in Radha Krishna serial. So without any delay, let's start our video. Now join 10 mm 28 strips of tight coil. Now again join 10 mm 8 strips. Here I am making legs for Sri Krishna and make a deeper cone as shown in the video. And make little bit cross shape like this and apply glue inside the cone. Apply neatly with the help of brush. Let it dry for some time. Now here I am making dhoti for Lord Sri Krishna. Now just cut in a as shown in the shape of yellow color paper and make pleats like this. Here I am making dhoti for Lord Sri Krishna and apply glue in the middle of the pleats. Like this you have to make it. Now pleats are ready. Now take the legs and connect dhoti to the legs like this as shown in the video. Now dhoti is ready. Repeat same procedure for another leg also. Now two legs are ready. Now take the base and connect the legs like this. Let it dry for some time. Now take another yellow color paper and make pleats like this and connect. It will be the dhoti. Now again join 7 mm 5 mm 35 strips of two tight coils and make a deep dome shape as shown in the video. Here I am making base body of Lord Sri Krishna and make a deeper dome. My one strip length is 28 cm and make strip like this. Now take a 5 mm and make a small dome as shown in the video. Now domes are ready. Now apply glue inside the domes. Apply glue neatly. Here I am making Radha Krishna idol for Janmashtami special. Now apply glue. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the two cones. I am preparing base body of Lord Sri Krishna. Now cover the domes with the help of paper strip like this. Now join 7 mm 3 strips for making necks. Now connect the neck. Now neck is also ready. Now connect this base to the leg base like this. Now attach the hip belt to the Lord Sri Krishna like this. Make a small pleats of orange color and attach pleats around the idol like this. Now connect small pleats like this. It will be the hip belt for Lord Sri Krishna. Here I am making Radha Krishna serial model dress style. Now here I am making dupatta for Lord Sri Krishna. Just take a paper and make pleats like this. Now connect the dupatta as shown in the video to the body. Like this you have to connect the dupatta. Now I have made small jewelry with the help of ball chains and stone lines and connect this small necklace to the Lord Sri Krishna and long chain like this. Now again join 5 mm 3 mm 10 strips and make a dome shape. Here I am making face for Lord Sri Krishna. Now apply glue. Let it dry for some time and apply black color tight coil on the upper side. It will be the head part. Now connect the nose. Connect the nose and ears. For making ears, join 3 mm 1/5 strip. Now mark the facial expressions on the face with the black and white acrylic paints. Now here I am making hair for the Lord Sri Krishna. Take a 3 mm paper strip and wrap the strip like this to make a curly hair for Lord Sri Krishna. Now curly hairs are ready. Now connect this curly hair on the upper part of the head like this. Repeat same procedure to the total head part like this. Now hair is ready. Now take a black color paper strip and apply glue and just wrap it like this and make a small thin roll shape like this. Here I am making Talapaga for Lord Sri Krishna and just roll it like this to make a thin thread look. Now take a green color 3mm paper strip and just wrap it around this white color thread, paper thread. Repeat whole process like this until end. Here I am making Talapaga for Lord Sri Krishna. Now thread is ready. Now here I am making Talapaga for Lord Sri Krishna on the head part. Now connect this thread as shown in the video. Just rotate around the head like this on the upper part. It will be the Talapaga. It is looking super cute. Now take a pink color paper strip and cut in a leaf shape like this and open it. Here I am making small flowers for decorating Talapaga of Lord Little Krishna and connect the flowers like this. Now take a small 10mm paper strip and just make pleats like this to decorate more Talapaga. I have attached a stone line on the other side to give more decorating look for the Talapaga. Now Talapaga is ready. Now base idol is also ready. Now connect the Lord Sri Krishna face to the base idol like this in a little bit cross shape like this. Now join 5mm tree strips and make a little bit cone shape. Here I am making hands for Lord Sri Krishna. My one strip length is 28 cm. For things needed, check in description box below. Now make another one and make a small dome shape like this. Now take another cone and make a deeper cone shape. Here I am using 5mm tree strips for each coil and making cones like this. Here I am making hands for Lord Sri Krishna. Now apply glue inside the cones. Apply glue on the three cones like this. Here I am making Radha Krishna serial model, which is inspired by the Radha Krishna serial dressing style of Lord Sri Krishna and Radha Rani. Now connect the hands like this one by one. Make total 2 and I have colored it neatly of skin color. Now face is also well dried. Now connect the hands like this as shown in the position. Connect like this with the help of glue. You can use Fevibond also for quickly sticking. Now hands is ready. Just make a small paper roll and color it for making Murari, Basuri, what you called. Now connect Murali in the hands of Lord Sri Krishna like this. Now connect the palm. Join 3mm tree strip for making each palm. Now connect the palm like this. Connect another palm also for the another hand. Now Lord Sri Krishna is ready. Now join 3mm 2 strips and make each tight coil. Make 2 tight coils and connect with one another like this. Now take a 3mm paper strip and rotate it to the tight coil. Here I am making foot for Lord Sri Krishna. Here I am making legs. Now again join 3mm 1/5 strip and make a small tight coil like this. Here I am making small fingers and apply glue and close it like this. With the same procedure I have made another 4 fingers also. Now connect the fingers one by one as shown in the video. Now fingers are ready. Now foot are ready. With the same procedure I have made another one also. Now foot is ready. Now connect foot to the legs like this. Connect one by one. Let it dry for some time. Now here I am making feather, peacock feather for Lord Sri Krishna. Join dark blue, sky blue, orange, light green and dark green and make a small roll shape of 3mm or 2mm according to your wish. Now take a dark color of little bit cutting shape like this and just roll it like this to make a feather. Close it like this and open it and cut in a neat feather shape like this with the help of scissor to give a nice feather peacock feather look like this. Now peacock feather is ready. Now connect peacock feather on the head part of Lord Sri Krishna like this. Now Lord Sri Krishna is ready. Now here I am making base for Lord Sri Krishna. Join 3 mm 35 strips for making base for Lord Sri Krishna. Now connect base idol of Lord Sri Krishna to the base like this. Let it dry for some time. After drying it will be like this. It is looking super cute and very beautiful. It's looking very gorgeous. Now Sri Krishna is ready. Now it's time to make Radha Rani. Join 7 mm 28 strips and make a bigger dome. Here I am making skirt part for Radha Rani and make a deeper dome shape as shown in the video. Make a deeper dome. Do it slowly when you are making domes and cones. My one strip length is 28 cm. Now apply glue around the dome like this. Apply glue neatly with the help of brush. Spread it neatly with the help of brush. Let it dry for some time. After drying, it has been completely dried. Now take a red color piece of paper and just make pleats on the edge part. And I have painted with the aquaric color to the whole dress part like this with the flower paint according to the Radha Krishna serial. Radha Rani dressing style. Now take a green color piece of paper and make pleats like this. Here I am decorating the skirt of Radha Rani and apply glue in middle of the pleats like this. Now cut in a U shape like this according to the Radha Rani dress style. Now connect the golden color border on the edge part like this. Now I have connected red color paper around the skirt like this, and I have attached green color designs on around the skirt like this. Now here I am making stomach. Join 10 mm 20 strips for making stomach part. Now connect this tight coil on the upper part of the skirt like this. Now again join 5 mm 25 strips of 2 domes and apply glue inside the domes and spread it neatly with the help of hands or brush. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the 2 cones. Here I am making base part for Radha Rani. Apply glue and connect the 2 domes like this, and apply glue and connect this base to the Radha Rani, and I have attached hip belt for Radha Rani with the help of ball chains. Now here I am making dupatta for Radha Rani. Just cut in as shown in the shape and make pleats like this and connect the decorate dupatta to the Radha Rani dress like this. Make pleats of red color paper and connect on the back side of the Radha Rani. It will be the chunni or dupatta for Radha Rani. Now take a same procedure, repeat for the basu talapaga making. Here I am making Radha Rani chunni. Repeat same procedure, paper thread and rotate blue and sky blue color around this paper and connect to the Radha Rani dress like this. Just make pleats and connect on the edge part like this. Here I am decorating the Radha Rani dressing. Now connect make pleats and connect this blue color chunni on the back side of the Radha Rani like this. Now here I am making face of Radha Rani. Join 5 mm and 3 mm 10 strips and make a dome shape and connect the ears and nose. And I have painted aquaric skin color paint. Now I have added facial expressions on the face according to the Radha Krishna serial dressing style and facial expressions. Now here I am making hair for the Radha Rani. Apply glue and close it to half like this to make a very thick. Now cut the 3 parts. Here I am making hair for Radha Rani. Cut into 3 pieces. Now connect like this and make a hairstyle for the Radha Rani like this. Repeat until end. Now complete it. Now hairstyle is ready. With the same process I have made another one also. Now connect this hairstyle around the head part like this as shown in the video. Now I have attached it neatly with the help of glue. Now here I am making jewelry for the Radha Rani. Just take a punching machine of flower shape and make a flowers and just spread it like this with the help of any tool or pen and connect one by one like this. Here I am making flower jewelry for Radha Rani as shown in the serial part. Just open it and spread it like this to give a nice flower look. Connect on one by one like this. Now flower is ready. Now take another punching flower and connect on the this flower like this. Now flower is ready. Now I have added nose pick for the Radha Rani. It is looking super cute. Now attach flower jewelry and decorate the head part like this. And I have attached earrings and papad billa for the Radha Rani flower jewelry part. It is looking super cute. Now connect the hairstyles. I have added flowers to the hairstyle also like this. Now face is ready. Now connect kiritam to the Radha Rani like this. Makur. Connect like this. Now connect the neck. Join 5 mm 3 strips for making neck. Now connect the necklace, flower necklace to the Radha Rani. Repeat same procedure for making flowers. Now connect the, it is looking super cute. Now flower jewelry is also ready. Now connect the beautiful face of Radha Rani to the base idol like this as shown in the video. Now Radha Rani's face is also ready. Now making chunni of back side. Now take a just red color paper and make pleats and just press it on the edge part like this and connect in a just U shape on the edge part like this. Now I have added small golden color acrylic paint like this and connect this chunni on the back side of Radha Rani. Now Radha Rani is ready. Now join 5 mm 2.5 strips. Here I am making Radha Rani hands. Now again join 5 mm 2.5 strips for making cone, for making hands also. Now apply glue inside the cones like this. Spread it neatly with the help of brush. Apply glue neatly, let it dry for some time. After drying, connect one by one. Connect dome. Now connect the bigger cone. It will be the hands for Radha Rani. Now I have connected hands for the Radha Rani. I have made one more hand like this with the same procedure and I have connected according to the shape. Now connect the palm. For making palm, join 3 mm 2.5 strips. Now palm is also ready. Now here I am making base. Join 10 mm 30 strips for making base. It will give more stiffness for the quilling doll with the help of brush. Now connect flower bangles to the Radha Rani hands. Repeat same procedure for making flowers. Now connect the flowers like this. I have connected flowers to the second hand also like this. Here I am making flower basket for Radha Rani. Join 3 mm 25 strips and make a little dome shape. Here I am making flower basket in the hands of, here I am placing flower basket in the hands of Radha Rani. I have added golden aquatic color. Now again join 3 mm 20 strips and make a small dome shape and connect on the inside part of flower basket like this. Now I have made punching flowers with the help of punching machine and just connect flower punching machine flowers inside the basket like this as shown in the video. Connect all the flowers like this. Now take a paper paper strip and just roll it. It will be the handle for the puja flower basket like this. Now flower basket is ready. Now connect flower basket in the hands of Radha Rani. Now flower basket is also ready. Now cute Radha Rani is also ready. Barsana Rani as Radha Krishna serial dressing style. It is looking super cute and very beautiful and very gorgeous. Now Radha Rani is also ready. Now Sri Krishna and Radharani is also ready. Now take a cardboard paper and apply glue and connect on the green color paper like this and cut on the 4 edges. Here I am making base part for the Lord Sri Krishna and Radharani. Apply glue on the 4 edges and close it as shown in the video. Spread it neatly without gaps. Spread it neatly. Now base is ready. Now take back the Sri Krishna and Radharani and just make as shown in the video. Just stand in as shown in the position. The hand should be in the Sri Krishna hands like this. Now here I am making grass. Just take a 10 mm paper and just make cuts of like a grass shape as shown in the video with the help of scissor. Now open the paper strip like this and cut into the 5 parts, 4 or 5 parts like this, and just take one part and just roll it like this. Apply glue and take back and open it. It will be the grass for base part like this. Make some more according to your base, and I have connected total grass around the Sri Krishna and Radharani base like this. Connect around the Radharani and Sri Krishna like this. Now base part is ready. Now I have connected around. Now take a cut in a real grass shape like this and cover around the base part like this. Now base part is also ready, and I have connected flower punching machines flowers around the grass like this to give a nice Brindavan Nidhivan look like this. Now Janmashtami special, Lord Sri Krishna and Barsana Radharani Janmashtami special in the Radha Krishna serial dressing style is ready. It is looking super cute and very gorgeous. Hope you all enjoy my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.